Hi, welcome to week 4 of the Machine Quilting Blog Hop. This week it's about fractured squares and doing borders and continuous straight line, as well as some other Greek key and spiral square type of stitches. What I practiced the most on was Greek keys and the Boomerang border stitch, and I really like that Angela showed that it could be an all-over stitch. So let me show you what I did. This is the Boomerang, and I did it as an all-over in this particular block. It is really, ruler work is not difficult. It just takes a little bit of dexterity and a little bit of practice. On the long arm, this is not my long arm ruler, by the way, I went through and I put some dots of where I was going to go. I put a dot with a pen here and up here and up here. I made a decision that I wanted it to go down 2 and over 1. And then it really was just as simple as connecting the dots from here to here, to here, and across. And then what you'll see, and I'll use my pointer for this, is as I traveled, got out of frame, from here to here to here, then I also put dots over 1, down 1, all the way, and then I used my ruler. A couple little wobbles there, which shows that I am new at this. And then when I was at the top, I traveled my way down to here. This is a traveling line. Also, when I went from here to here to here to here, you can see my dot that I drew. And so I echoed it in the top to make a boomerang V here, and I echoed it in the bottom to make a boomerang V here. And I liked how this was long with just this traveling line, and I did the same thing in the second row and in the third row of this particular block. So let's look at it in its entirety. So this would be a great border. It would be great as an all-over. And it is just really fun that you can use these V's or boomerangs, and you can echo them as many times as you wanted. I could have echoed it again in this space, but I didn't want it to be so dense in this particular block because there's lots of seams, and it's already was kind of heavy as it was. So, week 4, just remember, if you're going to use a ruler for your sewing machine, get a ruler that is not a rotary cutting ruler like this one. You need a really thick 1/4 inch ruler. Mine's upstairs, and I just didn't want to go up there. And remember, long arm is best. If you really snug the ruler up against the hopping foot, and because I'm left-handed, I found if I actually hold it like this on this side of the hopping foot and really push down on the table underneath, it works better. So, everybody have a great week making boomerangs. And on the blog, I will show you some Greek keys. These are just kind of just funky little squares. I have pictures of actual Greek keys that I worked on another quilt. Isn't it fun to see all these textures just come together? And we did this block last week. It's so much fun to see it and to actually touch it when you're all done. I'm really going to love this quilt. All right, have a great week. Practice on